Hello my friend, welcome to PS Redaction channel. In this video I want to teach you 3 very useful Photoshop techniques. Stay with me. The first technique, how to remove the watermark from the photo. The second technique is to remove dandruff from clouds. And the third technique, lighting a certain part of photo. Okay, let's remove the watermark from the photo. Let's go to the next tutorial. I want to tell you how to remove dandruff from clouds. We want to put soft light on the flower. Very easy and fast. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for not forgetting to subscribe.